Hello friends, welcome back. We are now looking at simple data validations and let's get on with next example. Now suppose we have data validation and we have already seen it helps us to avoid wrong data entry, ensures data follows certain predefined business rules, and provides an easy interface to new employees to enter data as per business rules. Now let's take an example here. Suppose the salary of any employee should be less than or equal to 75,000. Now we also have data here. Now which data you think is wrong? Like if you see here, according to the business logic, the salary should be less than or equal to 75,000. So we have two data here which are wrong. One is for the 85,000 which is Harsh, and then we have 89,000 which is for Simran. Now this is wrong because it's not according to our business rule of 75,000 limit of the salary. Now this also can be taken care of by data validation rules. Okay, let's see how to do this. So let's go to the data here and try to put some data. Let's say 60,000, 80,000, 1 lakh here, okay, 58,000, and so on. Now you already saw that when we are putting some data like 80,000 and 1 lakh, it is not giving any error, right? But what is our problem? That it should give error because there is a business rule that the salary should be below 75,000. Okay. Now in these situations, you can do data validation. So let's do one thing. Delete this. And for now, we can select all the region here and then go to data validation. And here we will have to select what do we call it as? Here we can select whole number and we can say less than or equal to 75,000. Okay, that's it. So once again, let me explain to you. Go to data, go to data validation and select instead of any rule, select whole number, and here instead of between, not between, equal to, all that, select the last one, less than or equal to 75,000. Click OK. All right. Now, once you come back here, if I enter the data like 70,000, if I enter 65,000, like 50,000, it's all okay. If I enter 80,000, for example, it will give error saying the value doesn't match the data validation restrictions defined for this cell. So it will not allow the data to be wrongly entered up more than 75,000. So if I write 75,000 also okay. But if I write 76,000, it's error. Yes. So I think you understood this point. So I would suggest you to please go ahead and do the practice with the same steps that I followed. In the next video, we'll continue with more data validations. As of now, you can rewind the video and see the steps. Thank you.